Hello guys, I've been using this application, this Tron mining application for a while now, and I just got on my balance about 5 Tron, which is available on my balance. And guess what? I got this completely free. I did not put any investment. So this is not an investment platform. This is completely free of charge. So today I'm going to be making withdrawal to find out if this is really true. If I'm going to be getting the 5 Tron or whatever amount of Tron in my wallet. So if you want to know how this works, stick to this video till the end. What is up guys? Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Auburn Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel and you're listening to my voice for the very first time, go down below and smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified once I upload another brand new update. So let's go into today's video quickly. Alright guys, so if you want to be part of this platform, you want to know how to use this application, there's a link in the description of this video. Go down below, click on it. It's going to take you to Play Store where you can download the application and register your email, put in your email and your password. Then you can start mining straight away. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can mine. You can only mine like maybe like 12 times. Yeah, sorry, you can only mine 12 hours in a day. So all you need to do is like come in here every 12 hours, you click on start cloud mining, which is over here. I'm just going to click it right now. Okay, let's just click. You click cloud mining, and once you click on it, you follow the procedures, whatever instructions given to you. Okay, let's see. Click start now. Then all right, I think mining starts. Let's close this. Yeah, now mining starts automatically once you've clicked that. You can see the timing here, over here, sorry, over here you can see the time of the countdown started. So my mining is active right now. So now this application also claimed to be giving us this Tron that is on my balance for completely free of charge. So what I need to do is let me withdraw this. I guess the minimum is about okay, let's click on wallet. It's about 5 Tron, and I just hit the minimum threshold. So all I need to do is click on withdraw. Then let's check. All right, we choose Tron. Sorry, let me show you how I got here. You have to select network here, then select the Tron TRC20 network. So now you can see it's boldly written here that the minimum to withdraw is 5. You can see it here. The minimum to withdraw is 5 Tron, and the network fee is 2 Tron. So I should be receiving 3 Tron in my wallet. So we're going to try to withdraw right now, and here we go. Click on select. Okay, I need to copy an address. Let me go to my, I think I have Tron Link. Let me copy my Tron Link address over here. All right, so here we are in the Tron Link Pro. So all I need to do is click here, go to receive, copy. So I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video for you to download the Tron Link application. Also, it's a very good wallet. You can check it out on the Play Store, but I will leave a link in the description. If you want it, go down below, click on it, and download your Tron Link Pro. So let's quickly go back to our application. All right, so here we are. Now what we need to do is to let's select network again. We select here and we select. Okay, now we can post our Tron Link address over here, post. All right, now I'm going to click on 5 because I want to withdraw 5. Okay, fine. Now we can see it's written here that I'll be receiving 3 Tron in my wallet. So quickly let's withdraw this and see if it's gonna come to our wallet. Withdraw, confirm your withdrawal once confirmed. Okay, let's do okay. All right, Alright, now it's gone. You can see already my balance. I don't have the 5 Tron anymore. 5 is gone. I still have 36 whatever, but it's gone now. Let's wait till it enter our wallet. So okay guys, I just checked my wallet and I found the 3 Tron in my wallet. It has been received in my wallet right away. So guys, it's actually really paying, and it is completely free of charge. So if you want to download the application, it's down in the description of this video. Go down below, download. And let me be clear on this too. Let me tell you one thing: this will not make you rich. It's just a token. It's gonna give you some bucks, but it won't make you rich. If you want to get more or out of this application, you need to refer. And in order for you to grow your what's it called, the referral, your team, once you have enough referrals, you can be earning more of Tron daily. So guys, that for this video. If you like what I showed you, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I always have good stuff for you guys. So I see you all in the next video. Bye.